I'm very happy to see you all. And take good care of your 1 million like a good father of a family. You have a responsibility to play. And always remember one thing, that you are the future leaders of the city of Cebu. So ayaw tigai o any doubt ang inyong paglingkod diha, tigai gibukaton, and make the most and the best out of it. So to all of you, congratulations. Rest assured, Mary Ann de los Santos will be 101% supportive to all the sangguniang kabataan of the city of Cebu. So, if in the event na kinanglan mo sa akong tabang or akong opisina, I am at your beck and call. Abierto hanggang haan sa atong opisina. More so if you need anything in relation to my advocacy, which is mental health. Daghang salamat, ubay hapon kami.